In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Now, this will be a video aimed at beginners, and it's coming from someone who's sold stuff on Facebook Marketplace before. So I'm going to show you and explain some tips and tricks and guide you on what to do. So first, you want to open up Facebook and then head over to Marketplace. Marketplace is the button in the middle on the bottom here. It should look like a store icon. Click on that and it will take you into the Marketplace. What we're going to do is we're going to sell on Marketplace. So if you go to sell in the top left hand corner, you'll then be prompted to create a listing. Now, if you've not made any listings before, you won't have any statistics here. So you want to go ahead and click on create listing, and then you can choose whether you want to list an item, vehicle, or you want to list a property. Now I'm going to list an item. So once you've done that, it's going to then take you to this window where it's important to add either a video of your product or a photo. So if you go ahead and click on add photos or videos, you will then be able to upload a photo or video of your product. Now that's going to open up your camera roll, so make sure you've taken a photo or video already. You can upload up to 10 photos, so it's important to upload photos from different angles, which clearly state the products. Now you can upload up to 10 photos, so it's important to upload photos from different angles. Now if you have a defect in your product, I would take photos of that defect. So like if you're selling a TV, but it's got a scratch in it, just take a photo of it and explain that in the post, because people are going to try and knock you down on your price anyway if they see a defect or something that isn't mentioned. So just mention everything. So let's say, for example, I'm selling this microphone I'm speaking into, which happens to be a Rode microphone. If I go ahead and start typing here, I can enter in the product name. So I'll say Rode NT USB microphone. And obviously you can type whatever you have here. Okay, so now I've done that. You can also add emojis as well, which is going to help your listing stand out. Now you've got the price. Now obviously enter in a price you're going to be happy with, but it's important to note that when you sell stuff on Marketplace, people are going to try and lowball you with offers. You can obviously choose if you want to take them offers. I'm just going to list it at £80. Now this is going to be in your default currency. Now it's also important to categorize this properly, because together with the category and the keywords you put in your title, it's going to be how people find your product. So if people search for USB microphone, my product will appear. If people search for Rode USB microphone, my product will also appear. So whatever you put in the title, people are going to be searching for it, and that's how they'll find your product. So make sure you enter in some keywords in here. Then go to category and then obviously enter a category which it fits in. So for me, that would be electronics. So electronics and computers. Then enter in the condition. So mine is used, like new. Then in the description, here's where you want to add maybe why you're selling, the price again, and pick up in whatever area you're in. So I like to only deal with people in person. I don't post things. So I would tell my area or my rough area in the description, and then they can decide if it's worth it for them to come to me. And obviously I deal with cash, right? So you enter all of that in the description, and it says here, include any details and imperfections that might help people understand the item. If you list the imperfections, it means people won't be able to like lowball you because they'll see the imperfections and want to take some money off. If you list the imperfections and say how it is, you can stand firm on your price if it is fair. Then you've got your location. Now this isn't my location, so don't freak out, but just make sure obviously your location is correct. Speak to the buyer. So you can speak to them and send your location over Messenger, and they can come in person once you've spoke to them and once you know that they're actually interested. Then if you go more details, you can add a brand. You can also hide this listing from friends. And if you want to add this listing to more groups, you can go ahead and click on this, and then you can go ahead and choose any of these groups and add it to these groups if it is related to your product. And then you've got here listing options, and you can essentially add more stuff, right? Now, obviously you want to check here, in my opinion, door pickup, because most items that you sell on Facebook Marketplace, you want people to come to your house and pick it up from your door and give you cash. You can also do door-to-door drop-off. I wouldn't do public meetup though, because it's just a bit dodgy. So once you've done all that, click next. Make sure you do add a photo. I've just added a random photo here which doesn't match the product, but anyway, you will click next. Then you can go ahead and list it on Marketplace and click publish. And what you'll do now is you'll just wait, and you'll have people approaching you, sending you messages on Messenger saying, is this still available? You can obviously then reply back and agree on a price and get them to come and pick it up for cash. So that's how you can sell on Marketplace. I hope that quick video gave you a good overview and did help you out.